Hi guys, Max here from shopsolarkits.com. In today's video, we're going to go over how to wire your AC200P solar kits. Whether that's a quad or a hex solar kit, they're wired the same, and we're going to go over that in detail. I'm going to link it up here, but we already made a video on how to connect the quad kits for the EcoFlow Delta, the EB150, or the EB240. That's linked up there. That required series and parallel. For your AC200P, you only need a series connection, which is what I'm going to show you now. Here are 4 rigid monocrystalline 100 watt 12 volt solar panels. These are very similar to the ones that we include in the quad or the hex kits, so this is a good demonstration purpose. For both the quad or the hex kit, you will be connecting your solar panels in series. I'm going to get into that now. Whether you go with a quad or whether you go with a hex, it'll depend on your needs and what you're looking for. So you can reach out to us or the sales team or just read online, and we'll be able to decide what's best for you. But whatever kit you go with, you will be connecting them in series, and this is how to do that. All right, so off the back of every solar panel, you're gonna have a positive and a negative lead. You're gonna have one side that clicks in and one side that receives the other end. You can think about these as like a male and a female off the back of every solar panel, okay? So if I want to connect one panel to this panel in series, I will take one end here, so this is the female end, and this is going into the male end, and you'll snap them together like this. That's a positive and a negative connection, connected like this. Now these 2 solar panels are connected in series, okay? So I have 2 100 watt 12 volt solar panels connected in series. This raises the voltage of these 2 panels. If I want to put 3 panels in series, I can see this middle panel here. It's already connected on one side. So now I take the other end of this middle panel and I will plug it into the panel beside it, the same way that I've done. Boom. We now have 3 solar panels connected in series, raising the voltage of all 3 of these panels together. The amps stay the exact same, but the volts have been raised on all 3 panels. So if I want to keep this series connection, we now have these 3 panels in series. So I'll take the last one here and plug this in to the panel this way. We now have all 4 solar panels connected in series. This is impossible to screw up. This is super simple. You just snap them together like this. So now on the first panel, we still have one leftover piece here. And on the last panel, we have one leftover piece. You can see that on the last panel, it's the female end, and on the first panel, it's the male end here. All right, so now that we have all of our solar panels connected in series, the next step is to connect the leftover leads. We're gonna have one on one end and one on the other end into the solar extension cabling. All of the kits come with solar extension cabling. And as you can see from the cabling, it comes with one male and one female lead. Now, for example, on this side, we've got the male left over, and I will plug that into one end of the extension cabling. So that is snapped together now. On the other end here, we've got the female lead coming off. So I will plug that into the other set of extension cabling. Now we have the 4 set of panels all connected in series, which is essentially leading down to the extension cabling like this. What you have done now is connected all your panels in, run them into 2 pieces of cable, which will run into your home and into your generator, and that's it. So whether you have 4 or whether you have 6 panels, you'll leave your panels out in the backyard, in the side yard, wherever you get the most sun. And then you run the cabling into your house and start charging up your generator. It's really as simple as that. So if you have any questions or concerns or you're unsure about anything, reach out to us via phone or email, anything, and we'll be able to help you out. But yeah, this is the setup for the AC200P, the quad or the hex kit.